Maintaining the pest-free lawn is a top priority for homeowners. Ant infestations can damage soil, disrupt plant roots, and create unsightly mounds. The growing demand for effective lawn pest control has led to a variety of solutions, including Wondercide Outdoor Pest Control Spray is an eco-friendly solution that uses natural essential oils to repel and kill ants along with other common lawn pests. Its botanical formula makes it safe for children, pets, and plants, while still effectively targeting ant colonies. The spray is easy to apply directly to ant mounds or affected areas, and it works quickly to disrupt the insect's activity. Homeowners appreciate that it provides broad-spectrum protection against fleas, ticks, mosquitoes, and ants, making it ideal for lawn areas, gardens, and outdoor play spaces. Regular application ensures a pest-free lawn without relying on harsh chemicals, making Wondercide a top choice for those seeking natural lawn protection. The Amdro Fire Ant Killer is a powerful granular product designed specifically for fire ant control. Each pellet attracts ants, which then carry it back to the colony, effectively eliminating the nest. Suitable for large lawn areas, this 5-pound bag covers substantial ground and provides long-lasting results. The formula targets fire ants at the source, preventing regrowth and new mound formation. Its granular design allows easy spreading using a standard lawn spreader, and results are typically visible within days. Ideal for homeowners dealing with aggressive fire ants, Amdro provides a cost-effective, fast-acting solution for maintaining a safe, pest-free yard. The Amdro Outdoor Home Perimeter Ant Killer is a ready-to-use liquid treatment that targets ants around the perimeter of your property. The formula is designed to kill ants on contact and prevent further infestation by creating a protective barrier. Easy to apply with a hose end sprayer, it covers flower beds, lawns, and walkways efficiently. Homeowners appreciate its fast-acting properties, which help reduce ant populations quickly while minimizing impact on non-target areas. This solution is particularly effective against both common lawn ants and invasive species, making it a versatile and convenient choice for long-term lawn protection. TERRO liquid ant baits are designed to attract ants to a sweet liquid bait that they carry back to the colony. Once ingested, the active ingredient eliminates the queen and colony over several days, providing long-term control. The traps are pre-filled and ready to use, making them extremely convenient for homeowners who want targeted control without messy application. While not a broadcast treatment, these baits are ideal for spot treating ant mounds and high-traffic areas. TERRO's approach is especially effective for lawn ants that invade patios, decks, or garden borders, and it's safe to use around children and pets when applied according to instructions. 5. Ortho bugclear Lawn Insect Killer is a versatile liquid formula that controls a wide range of pests, including ants, spiders, ticks, and fleas. Applied with a hose end sprayer, it spreads evenly across your lawn and provides rapid knockdown of active ant populations. Beyond ants, it helps maintain a healthy, pest-free outdoor environment for children and pets. Homeowners value its dual-action formula, which kills existing insects while preventing new infestations. Regular application ensures comprehensive coverage, making it a go-to product for large lawns or properties with recurring pest issues.